Are you looking for a college in Bangalore?
Any college? Why not East Point? I was just a girl from a small town with big dreams. But honestly, not much confidence. But today, things are different. I'm a BBA student at East Point Group of Institution. We think startups, ideas, innovations. I had an app idea, and guess what? My friend, a software engineer on the same campus, building it. And who manages our digital tech? Of course, my BCA friend. But building is not enough. You need strategies. That's where my MBA senior steps in, guiding me in business planning and decisions. Whenever I feel sick, I don't panic because my friend Megha is here, training to be a doctor at East Point Medical College. So having a doctor in your gang, that's confidence. Through IILP, we connect directly with the industry. We have 14 American industrial collaboration inside the campus with dedicated labs. We are not just studying, we are preparing for real life. No worries about the placements. Our seniors are already placed in the top companies with great packages. We can talk about academics and placements, but the real vibe, the campus life. Samskriti, DJ nights, cultural events, and the energy here is unreal. We don't just attend college, we celebrate it. Moving to a new city feels scary, but not here. Metro station just minutes away and railway connectivity close by. No stress about travel and no dependency. From healthcare to tech, from management to digital, my network is my strength. It's simple. At East Point, you just don't study, you live your college life.